So what am I working on today? All right. So what I gotta do is work on missions today. All right. Looks like Adam checked in some new stuff. Let's go take a look at it. We have screen assets, missions, and rank badges. So we've got these different leaves, is what it looks like. Yeah, that looks good. Cool. Yeah, that's more what I was thinking. Is I need probably throw something in here that's a little bit more natural looking. And that is what we were looking for. Excellent. So I got to figure out where I am, where I left off. I think the last thing I was working on was sublevels and getting sublevel support added to missions, so we can have a mission where sublevels pop up. So let's see, we need post-stage results. We need post-mission results. We're going to want mission persistence. Alright, so local mission persistence, and I guess online mission persistence? Would be some stuff there. So I need to just get kind of started working today, get back into it. Been working on Maelstrom stuff for the last 2 days, I think. I don't know, it was kind of one day, but like, it was kind of 2 days. It was almost 3 days in some respect, because of just how stupid my schedule went. I keep screwing that up. Result is diamond tier, finished. First stage. The stage has these, there are no conditions on it. So that's why we hit continue. Result is bronze because stage 1 we got bronze. Alright. Looks like it's all showing up then. So I need the results to be written for everything. So let's start working on that. Let's check this out. Okay, so what we need to do is write to the current stage's information as to what is going on with it. So what we need to do is we need to change our code to not load in the mission result stuff, right? Let's see, we've got mission. Let me just do the stage first. So what we're going to want is we have cutscene completion, we have game objective, stage number, result tier is what we got. So let's take a look at these guys. Okay, so what I'm going to want here is some times here. So let's do ball touches for all these. Actually, I can just copy this. Alright, so let's do 100, 70, 50, 30, 20. So that's our result tiers. Then basically what we have to do is we have our result tier conditions. And let me see, where are we actually pulling our... Like our stage has our sublevels, game modes, failures, completion, intro, reset level, cutscene completion, Where are we getting our information on our result then? Is that on our mission completion? Yeah, so stage completion. We have a list of stage completions and completion tiers. So what we need to do is we need to make a new function here for our stage stuff. Where is it? It's alright, so it's reset mission stats inside of our Dashkin player state. Alright, so reset mission stats. New Dashkin game instance, reset mission stats. Alright. Dashkin mission manager. Alright. Reset stage data. So we have our mission stats and we have our mission stuff. Alright, let's see. So what are we looking at? We need to reset our mission completion is kind of what we need. So we have our current mission. I guess we should have a reset mission. Yeah, we should, like, we have mission stats and we'll reset those, right? But we also need to reset our mission data. So that's going to be here. already have a reset mission data function, don't we? Reset mission stats, reset mission data. And basically we should be doing this. Alright, so this is this do Dashkin mission. So we can reset our mission completion. I guess what we need to do is we need to reset only selective things on this mission completion. So it should just do that. And why does this player state have reset mission stats on it? Like, we should get rid of this. So the goal today is basically to get all of the UI stuff for the results all set up properly. Very good. This thing is just still confused. Well, it'll eventually stop being confused, right? People are trying to do a hack day here in Spokane. I don't know. There are some things I would like to experiment with, but so if I can get these mission results all set up, I mean, on the post-stage screen, basically all the objectives are going to always be true, unless you failed. Because I don't have anything in there for like, you actually completed this objective. Yeah, so we don't want this. We want reset mission stats. Where is this? Dashkin game instance? Come on, show me where the hell it is. This fucking thing. Yeah, it's reset mission data. It should be under bracket sag. See, it should be showing me reset mission data. Yeah, under the Dashkin mission manager. Okay, so resetting the mission data is going to set the cur stat, cur duration, and stage completion all to 0. So what we want to do is inside of the edge actions here, right, for set post stage. I guess it's update in stage that we need to actually go to. So if we have won the stage, if we have lost the stage, then mission over defeat. So we'll set post stage, we'll do all these things. Basically what we need to do is report to the mission manager and say victory or defeat, pretty sure. So what we're going to do is set the mission information, so it'll be on mission victory, and we'll pass the stats, and it'll figure out what stats are necessary, right? So that's going to be Dashkin missions. On stage over. And I need to get a lot more of this stuff into the actual mission system, as opposed to just being off in nowhere with Bill. Okay, so what we need to do is determine our tier for our result, right? Based on our current stats. Okay, so basically it's going to be, let's see, the current mission, get stage data. Alright, so what do we got on the stage? We've got our result tier. These guys are just going through is condition met. So what's in that level utils? Get mission stats pointer. Otherwise, get player stats. Alright, so we don't need everything here. So we just need to call is condition met. Okay, so let's get our enums. Alright, so if victory, otherwise, we do this. So basically our current mission, we're going to add onto our mission stats for mission completion. So let's see, what is in our stage completion object? Game stage, mission completion is a stage completion object, so it's got the name of the stage and then the tier. Alright. So we'll add that on there. So we'll get the name off of it. All that, we'll add it. Otherwise, we need to go through each one of these guys. So condition not met is condition Okay, so why don't I just have a function here that returns a completion tier? Let's do get current completion tier and do it that way. Alright, so we just need to copy paste this basically. Okay, so basically we'll do our completion tier is going to be this get current stage completion tier, star curve stage. Okay, so curve stage, it's going to be that. Alright, cool. So if mission's over, then we need to kind of do the same thing. Okay, so what we also need to do here is get our current mission completion tier and fill that out. So all the stage information should already be filled out. So basically what we need to do is we'll grab the current mission completion tier, and basically we're just gonna do the same thing here, except all these will be missions. It should be an F mission, not an F game mission. Alright, so basically we already have all the stages, so we want to get the current completion tiers. So if victory, then we want to do stuff, otherwise we're going to do our stuff. So Alright, so if victory mission, let's see what result tier. It's not going to be result tier, it's mission completion, right? So mission completion, best tier. We don't have a current completion tier. Yeah, we don't have a best tier. Yeah, we don't have a cur tier. Alright, so cur tier. So let's add one. And let's throw the events for it. Are we actually updating the stage? Doesn't look like it. So we can just get rid of that. Well, let's generate our objects regardless. Kind of a mess. Alright, so let's go to our game data and add our stuff. Alright. So how am I actually figuring this out right now for the stage to figure what completion tier we actually have? We actually have this whole has achieved condition thing inside of the UI itself, which is pretty wasteful. We didn't need to do that. We could have just had the answer already. I think we already need some of these things, but this, like, get achieved tier. Look, we already have the stats. Basically, post-stage tier. Guess we don't really need it. We'll need it in C++ though anyway, for persistence, so didn't need to implement that in the UI. Well, I probably do need to implement that in the UI, just so it knows what's going on. So we can do some other stuff like, oh, you've just achieved, silver tier for this stage. We can toast a little thing for you, let you know what's going on.